Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video I want to demonstrate to you that HAL APS can calculate the amount of resources required in the technological process. Impossible? No system can do that? See for yourself what HAL's idea is for this. Let's assume that we have 100,000 pieces of medical pipettes to produce. Such pipettes are produced on injection molding machines using injection molds. I have a defined production cell consisting of 5 injection molding machines, 5 injection molds, 5 injection molding machine operators and 5 mechanics who retool them. Every competitive scheduling system will suggest working on the maximum number of injection molding machines regardless of the time parameters of the process. So let's see what happens if the time parameters of the process change. We will start manipulating them. Will HAL APS be able to select the amount of resources based on maximum efficiency gain? You will probably agree with me that adding more resources has its limits, but how to determine them? Case 1 setup time equals 13 hours, unit time equals 2s, teardown time equals 1 hour. Let's schedule such production and see the results. Let's remember how long the production takes. Case 2 setup time equals 10 hours, unit time equals 2s, teardown time equals 1 hour. Let's schedule such production and see the results. Let's remember how long the production takes. Case 3 setup time equals 5 hours, unit time equals 2s, teardown time equals 1 hour. Let's schedule such production and see the results. Let's remember how long the production takes. Case 4 setup time equals 2 hours, unit time equals 2s, teardown time equals 1 hour. Let's schedule such production and see the results. Let's remember how long the production takes. And what do you think? Do you also think that HAL is a truly unique production scheduling system? For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.